Okay, oh Abian baru datang. Okay. Alright, so what can Dimas do about his problem, and what can we say about Rosie's problem? How can she solve her problem here? Okay, any suggestion? Do you have any suggestion? What can Dimas and Rosie do about their problems? Okay, any idea? Abi, come on. Nessa baru saja bergabung. Okay, what do you think, guys? Okay, if for mouth problem, we normally use mouthwash, right? Specific mouthwash, maybe herbal mouthwash, maybe. Okay, first Dimas needs to brush his teeth to clean some excess food from his teeth, and then he can gargle with medicinal mouthwash or herbal mouthwash to make her mouth feel good again. Yeah. Okay, for Rosie, maybe if you have sticky hair because because you sweat a lot, what is the easiest solution? You need to wash your hair, right? What can Rosie do? Maybe Rosie can what? Rosie can wash her hair with some shampoo. With shampoo, right? Okay. Now these are the common types of teens problem. Not only teens actually, all adults also usually have the same problem. They sometimes have problem with their teeth, with their mouth, sometimes with their hair, or maybe with their face, maybe something like that. And that's why we have this what we call toiletries product to solve their personal care problem. Okay, now let's take a look at this. This is actually a review for the vocabulary. Di sini ada adolescence. Adolescence itu artinya teenager, ya, teenager. Toiletries is the things that people use in toilet. For example, like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, facial wash, something like that. And then we have also self-esteem. Self-esteem means confidence, ya, percaya diri, self-esteem. This is actually a noun. And then sweat, you already know sweat. Sweat means keringat, ya kan? We have boost. Boost itu memperkuat atau menambah. Okay, that's what we call boost. Okay, hold on. I need to. Okay. To make it closer. Oh, ada yang bertanya ini. Coba. That's right. Abinaya nulisnya wash her hair with shampoo. Okay, that's correct, Abi. Okay, tadi jawabannya sudah dijawab ternyata ya. Saya aja nggak baca tuh message-nya. Okay, let's continue. And then prevent is a verb, means to avoid or to what do you call that? Mencegah, ya. In bahasa we call it mencegah. To reduce is actually quite similar in meaning, but to reduce is to minimize. The same in meaning with minimize. To reserve usually refer to personality, the name of the personality. Reserve itu artinya penyendiri, bukan penyendiri, pemalu, reserve. And then severe means parah, gitu ya. Okay, now all you have to do is match these words with the sentences in these circles, ya. Okay. For example, adolescence. What is adolescence here? Oh, hold on. Let me put an arrow here. Adolescent. Ini nih. Number 1 goes to number 9 over here. As a child enters adolescence, dari anak-anak ke remaja, apa ini? Bentar. He or she might suffer from acne. Acne tuh jerawat ya. Oh, good. Okay, can you guess for territories? What is territories? Okay, come on. Still cannot do it? Belum bisa? Okay, kita coba lagi. Okay, very shy and reserved. Ini. Kok jadi bersin-bersin nih? Okay. Number 1, Gina has low blah 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 because her body odor. Her body odor. What is body odor? Body odor is actually bau badan. Okay, which is very common. Oh, ada Adam di sini. Okay. Body odor is very common among teenagers because their bodily chemical is changing. Dari anak-anak ke remaja biasanya suka agak-agak bau asem atau bau apek gitu ya. If you do a lot of sport, nah itu biasanya if you are not clean enough, badannya nggak terlalu bersih, suka timbul keringat yang tinggal di badan. Nah, then we call it cause body odor. Okay, what is it then? Apa ini yang nunggu? Siapa nih yang nunggu? Okay, tadi udah. Oh, Tia keluar lagi sih. Okay. Biasanya tuh. Okay. Alright. Nah, number 1 kira-kira apa ya? The correct answer for number 1 is self-esteem. Okay, number 3, bacteria in your sweat can cause body odor. Something like this. This is the answer. Now you try. Coba kau jawab sendiri. Kalau enggak, misalnya nomor 1 apa, 2 apa, 3 apa on your chat box. Ya, you can use your chat over here. Thank you Nessa for answering. Good. Who else? Come on. I'm sure you know the vocab, right? I already explained the vocab earlier. Okay. What else? Boost, menambah atau memperkuat. Okay. Deodorant, soap, and powder. Powder tuh maksudnya bedak ya. Are examples of toiletries. Tadi udah dijawab sih sebenarnya. Oke. Ini nih. Oke, toiletries. Right. Apalagi? Ayo, come on. Biar kalian ada jawaban, ada kerjaan, silakan. Saya akan hilangkan punya saya. Oke, silakan. You do your you answer. Okay, write down your answer. Come on. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Oke, 1 menit lagi, sekali lagi dah. Oke. Reserve kemana ya? Reserve. What is reserve? Reserve itu artinya pemalu. Tadi sudah dicoba saya jawab. Reserve itu adalah ini, ya. Oke. Severe? Ke situ. Oke, jawabannya adalah ini. Oke. Minta H kebanyakan ini. Oke. Ya, oke. You understand now? Okay, let's clear. Right. Okay, so adolescent means teenager. Toiletries is something that what is it? Home care product for our body that we use in toilet. Now, if you travel, you have to bring your own toiletries, ya kan? If you travel, you have to bring your own toiletries. Sabun sendiri, pasta gigi sendiri, sikat gigi sendiri. You don't want to use others toothpaste atau toothbrush, ya. Okay. Now, let's continue. This time we focus on identifying the details from the reading text. Okay, I'm going to play the audio, the audio. All you have to do is pay attention or read along, and you can guess or write down the answer to this missing information. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh, hold on, saya belum share video soundnya ya. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Lesson 4, Activity 3, Read, Listen, and Find. Gaining more self-confidence. Gina is a pretty girl. With soft brown hair and bright brown eyes, she makes an ideal model. However, Gina used to feel very insecure. She used to have low self-esteem in the past. She did not have many friends, did not go out much, and hardly ever talked to anyone at school. The reason why she was so shy and reserved was that she had a problem with her body odor. But these days, Gina is more confident about herself thanks to Smell Good. Body odor, also called bromhidrosis, is actually the smell of bacteria growing on the body. These bacteria multiply in the presence of sweat. Body odor may get worse or become less depending on several things: diet, gender, genetics, health, medication, and mood. Body odor can be prevented by using the right toiletries, such as soap, powder, lotion, and deodorants. Smell Good has launched a new grooming package to help reduce body odor. The package includes liquid soap, lotion, and deodorant. Like always, Smell Good products use natural ingredients. This package from Smell Good has helped Gina and others like her to boost their self-esteem. Smell Good has the best hygiene products for everyone. If you share the same problem with Gina, why don't you try Smell Good products? For more information, please call 021-555-5678.
Okay, now let's answer the missing information here. Okay, bentar ada motor lewat. Okay, so the girl's name is
Gina.
Gina, that's right. The girl's name is Gina. And what she look like? She is? What does she look like? Yes?
She was so shy and reserved.
Kalau look like itu tampilannya. You are talking about the appearance. Jadi she is pretty. With
Soft brown
hair
and bright brown eyes.
Ya, pokoknya mah she makes an ideal model gitu ya. Oke, jadi tampilannya look like a model. What is her problem?
Gina used to feel very insecure.
Gina has body. Oh, Gina is insecure. Sorry. Can you repeat your answer again, please?
Gina used to feel very insecure.
What's the reason? Alasannya apa? Because she had this. She has body odor. Body odor alias bebek ya. Oke, in bahasa kita bilangnya itu bebek gitu. Now, number 4, what is a different name for the girl's problem? What is the different name? Atau scientific name-nya itu apa? What do you call that name? Different name for the girl's problem. The name is, namanya adalah this one, bromhidrosis. Bromhidrosis, ya, namanya adalah bromhidrosis. What are the several things that may affect the problem? Okay, you can check paragraph 2. What are the things that may affect the problem? Okay. Jawabannya ini nih. Because bacteria grows on, because actually the smell of bacteria growing on the body and ya, Nesa mau jawab apa? Boleh. The bacteria
multiply
in the presence of sweat. Jadi kalau teenagers tuh punya bakteria, tapi kalau bakteria itu kena they got sweat, they multiply in present. By the bacteria multiply in the presence of sweat. Jadi kalau kena keringat justru malah tambah banyak gitu. So, and then body odor may get worse and become less depending on several things. Nah, tadi jawaban nomor 5 adalah ini nih sebenarnya. It depends on diet, if you eat different kind of food, gender, genetics, health, medication, and mood. For example, if you eat too much, let's say if you are still teenager, if you eat too much onions, for example, your sweat may smells rather strong. Ya, kalau masih teenagers sering makan bawang-bawangan, terutama yang bawang merah, your sweat may smell stronger. Nah, tapi misalnya kalau yang laki-laki, if it is depending on the gender, male usually has less strong odor biasanya. Cuman they usually baunya sedikit berbeda. Kalau perempuan biasanya bau agak asam, kalau laki-laki biasanya bau apek dia keluar. Or sometimes it's different. Genetics, for example. Sometimes if your parents doesn't have this kind of problem, you or your siblings may not get similar problem gitu. And then medication, some medication like cold medicine, or maybe certain hair medicine may affect your body odor also, including mood. If you feel sad, your body odor may be affected gitu. Next, examples of toiletries itu apa aja ya? What are the examples of toiletries? Can you tell me? Ada yang tahu? Ini nih, clue-nya ada di sini nih. What is it? The toiletries are yes, the toiletries are like this one. Contohnya ini nih. Ya, oke. Ada soap, ada powder, ada lotion, ada deodorant. By the way, do you use any of these kind of things? Ada yang pernah pakai atau sudah pakai? Oke. Biasanya sih I start my toiletries, my own toiletries. I started buying my own toiletries when I turned teenagers ya. Jadi minimal beli apa? Rexona, something like that. Okay, now let's continue lah ya. Okay. Hari ini ini. Nah tadi tuh yang actually I want to ask you to practice the adjective, the comparative and superlative. But you already know the difference kan? I already explain it. Now let's try. Confident become apa? Become apa kalau di comparative? Confident tuh how many syllables? Confident, three syllables. Berarti we use yang akhiran atau yang akhiran more? Yang pakai atau pakai more? What do you think? Kalau easy kan
More.
easier. Small
More.
Pakainya more ya. Jadinya confident become more confident. Kalau superlatifnya?
Confident.
More confident.
Kalau yang dipakai more, kalau superlatif berarti pakai the most ya kan? Jadinya apa? The most
Confident.
The most confident. Nah kalau bad jadi apa bad? Kalau komparatifnya jadi apa kalau bad?
Better.
Menurut aturannya sih betul better, tapi bad and good has an exceptional rules ya. Kalau bad itu in comparative it becomes worse. Ditulisnya seperti ini. Kalau good menjadi kalau superlatif jadinya ini. Oke, jadinya ini nih. Tuh, seperti itu. Tapi kalau many atau much berubah jadi apa? Jadi ini nih. Which is berubah jadi more. Kalau severe itu ada 3 syllables ya kan? Severe. Jadi is it or more?
More.
Yes, jadinya apa? More severe. Ya, dibacanya severe. Oke. Tapi kalau di superlatif berubah jadi apa? The most severe.
Severe.
The most severe. Itu kalau ingat lagunya siapa ya namanya ya? Lagunya band Jogja tuh. Severe. Itu mas Sepia. Apa tuh? Sheila on Seven. Nah, itu lagunya mirip-mirip itu tuh. Bunyi nyebutnya sepia ya kan? Nah, ini severe. Kalau biar di lagu Sheila on Seven itu sepia, ini severe. Nah, gitu. Nice jadi apa? Nice ada dua. Nicer, betul. Superlatifnya jadi the nicest. Ya, kalau wonderful, how many syllable? Wonderful. 3, berarti more wonderful. Berarti kalau superlatifnya jadinya the most
wonderful.
Iya, betul. Nah, saya mau tambahkan sedikit. Mana tadi lihat teksnya? Oke, ini jadinya more confident. Ininya salah. The most confident. Ketinggalan. Oke, seperti itu ya. Oke. Kalau ini pastinya the most lah ya. Kalau ini pasti the most. Sorry, ini the most. Oke, gampang kan? Oke. Nah, kita cek your exercise more ya. Kita pakai exercise lagi nih. Kita exercise more. This time we put them into dialogues. Kita masukkan ke dialog. Oh, bentar, annotate-nya belum di clear. Oke, kita mulai dengan ini. Okay, you already have your book with you. Okay, be ready to practice this dialogue with your partner. Nanti I will put you into breakout room. You are going to practice the dialogue. But now, listen and complete the missing part. Yeah. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Activity 5. Complete and listen.
Gina, thank you for sharing your time with us.
Don't mention it.
You're pretty and you have so much self-confidence.
Thank you, but I wasn't always like this.
Care to share your story with us?
Sure. Yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem.
Why was that?
Well, how should I say it? I had a problem with my body odor.
But you don't have it anymore, obviously.
I don't, thank goodness.
Did it affect your life?
Very much. I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't have many friends, I didn't go out much, and I don't think I talked to anyone at school at all.
Because you weren't sure of yourself?
Exactly.
So how did you solve the problem?
A friend of mine introduced me to this series of toiletries from Smell Good. I began using both their soap and deodorant several months ago. And ta-da! My body odor problem just vanished into thin air.
You must have felt very relieved.
I did, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good.
Thank you again for this interview, Gina. I wish you luck with your career.
You're welcome and thank you.
Oke, kita dengarkan sekali lagi nih. Kayaknya Safira baru datang lagi nih. Mungkin keputus ya. Kita coba dengarkan lagi to check your answer, oke?
Activity 5. Complete and listen.
Gina, thank you for sharing your time with us.
Don't mention it.
You're pretty and you have so much self-confidence.
Thank you, but I wasn't always like this.
Care to share your story with us?
Sure. Yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem.
Why was that?
Well, how should I say it? I had a problem with my body odor.
But you don't have it anymore, obviously.
I don't, thank goodness.
Did it affect your life?
Very much. I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't have many friends, I didn't go out much, and I don't think I talked to anyone at school at all.
Because you weren't sure of yourself?
Exactly.
So how did you solve the problem?
A friend of mine introduced me to this series of toiletries from Smell Good. I began using both their soap and deodorant several months ago. And ta-da! My body odor problem just vanished into thin air.
You must have felt very relieved.
I did, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good.
Thank you again for this interview, Gina. I wish you luck with your career.
You're welcome and thank you.
Okay, good. Now let's check your answer. Number 1, the answer is
Pretty.
pretty. Good. The answer is pretty. Okay. Number 2,
Self-esteem.
Self-deep.
self-esteem. Correct. Self-esteem. Number 3 is
Body odor.
body odor. Okay. Number 4,
Many
Many.
friends.
many friends. Yeah. I don't have many friends. Okay. Number 5, I didn't go out much. Ya, number 5 itu I didn't go out much.
Much.
Much. Maksudnya jarang keluar ya. Ya, mungkin karena merasa nggak pede jadi jarang keluar. And I don't think I talk
Anyone.
to anyone, right? I don't talk to anyone at school at all. Okay. Number 7, jadinya apa tuh number 7? A friend of mine introduced me to the series of toiletries from Smell Good. Toiletries from Smell Good. I began using both their soap and
Deodorant.
betul. And several months ago, and tada, my body odor problem just vanished into thin air. You must have felt very relieved. I did, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good. Thank you again for this interview, Gina. Okay, now it's time for you and your partner to practice the dialogue. So, mau pilih dialognya, mau pilih partnernya sendiri atau I choose for you? Mau pilih sendiri atau dipilihin?
Pilih sendiri.
Pilih sendiri. Oke. Silahkan. Siapa nih? Mulai dari Safira. Safira mau sama siapa? Nanti kita bikin breakout room ya soalnya. Bentar. Kita ada 6 ya. Ada 3 grup berarti ya. Oke. Mau sama siapa?
Nama Tia.
Sama Tia. Berarti Safira sama Tia. Oke. Room 2. Abi mau sama siapa, Abi? Abi Naya sama Abian lagi. Oke, bolehlah. Nesa berarti sama Adam ya. Oke. Remember the answer to the dialogue? Okay. Now, let's practice the dialogue. Boleh nanti after one round you switch. Yang tadinya star menjadi Gina, Gina jadi star gitu ya. Ready? I give you 3 minutes starting now. Go, go, go. Kenapa Adam? Bukannya tadi Adam masuk. Okay. Adam, are you there? Oh, ada 3. Oh, ada 2 Adam. Lah, dari tadi Adam. Iya. Oke, oh Adam sudah masuk. Oke, Adam. Halo Adam. Cek. Adam. Tapi kayaknya Adam lagi problem dengan koneksinya. Kamu praktis latihan dulu sama saya ya. Oke. Saya jadi starnya, kamu jadi Gina-nya ya.
Oke.
Gina, thank you for sharing your time with us.
Don't mention it.
You're pretty and you have so much self-confidence.
Thank you. But you know I wasn't always like this.
Care to share your story with us?
Sure. Yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem.
Why was that?
Well, how should I say it? I had a problem with my body odor.
Oh, but you don't have it anymore, obviously.
I don't, thank goodness.
Did it affect your life?
Very much. I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't have many friends.
Hmm.
I didn't go out much, and I don't think I told anyone at school at all.
Because you weren't sure of yourself?
Exactly.
How did you solve the problem?
A friend of mine introduced me to this series of toiletries from Smell Good. I began using both their soap and deodorant several months ago, and tada, my body odor problem just vanished into thin air.
Ah, you must have felt very relieved, yeah?
I did. I am, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good.
Thank you again for this interview, Gina. I wish you luck with your career.
You're welcome and thank you.
Right, good. Kita keluar aja ya. Keluar aja. Oke. Oke. Oke, mana nih? Yang lain belum keluar ya? Oke. Kayaknya tadi Adam bermasalah deh. Kita nggak masuk. Tadi udah masuk keluar lagi. Kayaknya bermasalah deh. Bentar ya, saya cek Adam dulu ya. Oke, memang kayaknya siapa si Adam internetnya terganggu nih. Oke. Oke, so some of Adam tadi earlier terputus lagi, katanya karena internetnya tidak stabil ya. IndiHome itu memang gejalanya gitu ya. Kalau akhir bulan selalu agak lelet ya, putus nyambung kayak hubungan Acha Septiasa sama Irwansyah dulu ya. Oke, now can you practice earlier? Sudah bisa Abi sama Abian? Sempat praktis kah tadi? Safira sama Tia juga sudah? Sudah?
Udah, Mister.
Oke. Oke, good. Kalau sudah. Adam udah masuk lagi, siap. Oke. Oke, nah sekarang kita cek lah dialognya ya. Coba kita ulang lagi dialognya. Tia sama Safira, silakan baca dialognya.
Dina, thank you for sharing your time with us.
Don't mention it.
You're pretty and you have so much self-confidence.
Thank you. But you know, I wasn't always like this.
Care to share your story with us?
Sure. Yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem.
Why was that?
Well, how should I say it? I had a problem with my body odor.
But you don't have it anymore. Obvious.
Obviously.
Obviously.
I don't. Thank goodness.
Did it affect your life?
Very much. I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't have many friends. I didn't go out much. And I don't think I talked to anyone at school at all.
Because you weren't sure of yourself.
Exactly.
So how did you solve the problem?
A friend of mine introduced me to this series of toiletries from Smell Good. I began using both their deodorant several months ago, and tada, my body odor problems vanished into thin air.
You must felt very relieved.
I did, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good.
Thank you again for this interview, Gina. I wish you luck with your career.
You're welcome, and thank you.
Okay, Abi and Abian, your turn.
Gina, thank you for sharing your time with us.
Don't mention it.
You're pretty and you have so much self-confidence.
Thank you, but you know, I wasn't always like this.
Care to share your story with us?
Sure. Yeah, I used to have very low self-esteem.
Why was that?
Well, how should I say it? I had a problem with my body odor.
You don't have it anymore, obviously.
I don't. Thank goodness.
Did it affect your life?
Very much. I was so ashamed of myself. I didn't have many friends. I didn't go out much. And I don't think I talked to anyone at school at all.
Because you weren't sure of yourself?
Exactly.
So how did you solve the problem?
A friend of mine introduced me to this series of toiletries from Smell Good. Began using both their soap and deodorant several months ago. And tada, my body odor problem just vanished into thin air.
You must felt very relieved.
Very relieved.
I did, and I'm so grateful to my friend and also to Smell Good.
Thank you again for this interview. Yes, you luck with your career.
You are welcome and thank you.
Okay, now you're going to work with your partner. This time, complete this dialogue, this article with comparative or superlative. Okay, you are going to work with your partner. Silahkan you chat directly using this application. Misalnya di sini ada chatnya, you can talk to your partner. Kayak tadi ya, Safira sama Tia, Adam sama Nesa, Abi sama Abian. Okay, read the dialogue, read the text, read the article. Choose, make this clue. Di sini ada fresh, ada healthy, either into comparative or superlative. Okay. Waktunya 2 minutes. Mulai. You can talk on your chat. Okay. Or bentar. You have your book with you, right? You have your book with you, right? Ada bukunya kan? Kalian punya bukunya? Ya, halo?
Punya.
Yes,
Okay.
punya.
Mari kita break out lagi supaya kalian bisa ngobrol. ya. Oke. Ditambahkan ntar otomatis aja. Bentar assign manually aja deh. Bentar. Jadi Abian, oke. Grup 2 ada Artia. Oke, grup 3 ada Adam dan Nisa. Begin. Waktunya 2 menit aja, silakan dikerjakan. Go. Dah. Oke. Safira? Finish already? Abi? Sudah selesai? Let's answer it ya. Kita mulai saja. Abian sama Nesa belum balik ya? Oke, udah. Oke. Nesa, si itu keputus lagi ya? Si siapa? Adam keputus lagi ya? Kasihan deh. Oke. Suruh nanti nonton videonya aja deh. Oke. So, number 1 become flossing and rinsing your with mouthwashes can make your breath comparative was
Fresher.
Yes, pakainya fresher. Antiseptic mouthwash can kill germs. Okay. Coba baca kalimatnya, Nesa. Antiseptic.
Antiseptic mouthwash can kill germs that cause bad breath and make your mouth
healthier. Oke. Kemudian? Oke.
Clever mouth.
Oh ya, oke. Masih Nesa. Ayo Nesa.
Clever mouth. TF produces antiseptic mouthwash with the
kalau udah the berarti superlatif ya. The
nicest
kinds of
flavor to your taste.
Terus clever mouthwash can also
prevent future bad breath with ease, zinc, ion technology.
Okay. Okay, Abian and Abi. Number berikutnya coba baca. Sambil dijawab yang blanknya ya. Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Anyone would agree that acne is irritating and can lower our self-esteem.
As adolescents
Starts
As
at
adolescents start
at around
the age of 12. Many of us suffer from acne.
during this
during this puberty period. Our body starts to develop and mature. We get bigger and taller.
And then
Hormones produced by our body during this period are the main cause of acne. Boys usually produce more hormones than girls do, so their acne tends to be more severe.
Okay. Abian lanjutkan.
One way to solve this problem is to properly clean our skin in order to prevent the production of too much oil, which can cause acne. Acne no more produces mild non-alcohol cleansers and toners to help us with our acne problems and make us look a lot more attractive.
Okay, good. Bisa ya? Okay, good job. Nah, kita lanjut. Okay. Now, this time we are going to, nah ini kita skip aja ya. Langsung aja ke sini. Okay. You're going to discuss in group of 3. Jadi ada 2 kelompok sekarang. Take a look at about smell good. Ada tadi tuh kita baca sudah ngomongin smell good, ada clever mouth sama acne no more. Sama terakhir nanti ada tadi tuh sebenarnya terakhir ini adalah no sweat ya. No sweat ini nih. Nah, silakan dibaca sendiri aja, nggak usah dibahas sekarang di Zoom ya. Tapi you're going to work with your group, okay? The answer to these following question, okay? Tadi beberapa tadi ada Adam yang masih putus nyambung ya, okay? Nah sekarang we go to breakout, okay? To answer these following question and then share your answer with the class. Ready? Oke, biasa kita akan breakout lagi. Bentar, kita akan bikin 2 kelompok saja. Oke, sekarang assign-nya otomatis aja ya. Oke. Ah, tuh, udah ada 3 lawan 3. 3 lawan 2 ya. Oke, siap? Mulai. Go, go, go. Silakan. Nesa, Safira masih on the way? Ya, oke. Sudah? Hai, ada yang hilang. Oke. Ini tadi ada yang keluar siapa ya? Abi, tapi Nesa ya? Bukan. Siapa namanya? Yang keluar tadi Abi? Ada yang keluar tadi ya? Siapa tadi? Aduh, kasihan nih, pasti.
Ya.
Hah? Ya?
Ya.
Oh,
Tia.
Iya ya, dia keluar ya. Mungkin connectingnya terputus. Oke. Anyway, kita coba aja jawab ya. So, do you think Gina is a lot happier now than before?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Why? Because she doesn't have problem anymore. She doesn't have body odor problem anymore. And what natural ingredient do you think smell good use in its product? Kira-kira produknya apa? Natural ingredientnya apa? Do you know? Kalau obat untuk menghilangkan BB? Betel fine misalnya. Okay, sirih, you know, sirih. Okay, and other product lah ya. Okay. Yes. Now, tidak ada. Okay. Langsung ke clever mouth. Okay. So which do you think has a better result? Brushing or flossing?
Brushing.
Brushing. Okay. Everybody agree? Okay. According to doctor, actually the combination of brushing and flossing is the best. Yeah. So brushing, yeah, at least with brushing you clear out most of the food remains, ya. Okay. Tapi kalau flossing mau lebih clear lagi, pakainya flossing. Pakai yang benang itu yang di masukin ke sela-sela gigi biasanya, ya. Okay. And how often do you think you need to use mouthwash in a day? How often do you think? Once a day? Once a day is enough? Yeah. Okay. Once a day is enough actually, ya. Kalau more than once a day, your teeth can be a problem, ya. There will be a problem. Okay. Some mouthwash are very strong. Now, acne no more. What do you know about the puberty? During puberty, adolescents produce more apa? More hormones. Okay, and this can cause acne. Sometimes can cause acne. And how does acne no more work in helping teen with acne problem? The answer? The answer is jawabannya by reducing the oil production in your face. Nah, terakhir nih, no sweat. What makes teen sweat a lot? Ya, tadi ada jawabannya ya. Let's take a look at this lah. Kita cek lagi. The chemical changes in your body during puberty can cause you to sweat a lot. Jadi, chemical changes in your body during puberty can cause you to sweat a lot. Jadi jawabannya itu. Oke. Jawabannya ini nih. The chemical changes in your body during the puberty can cause you to sweat a lot. And which one do you prefer? Pure deodorant or deodorant that also anti-respiran? Kalau deodoran aja tuh yang biasanya yang apa? Penghilang baunya aja. Tapi kalau anti-respiran tuh yang mengurangi keringatnya. Which one do you prefer? Pure deodorant or deodorant with that are also anti-respiran? Perspiran, sorry.
Deodorant with anti.
Ini ya biasanya ya. Oke. Kalau deodoran hanya untuk menghilangkan baunya saja. Kalau with anti-perspirant, ya, it reduce the sweat in certain part of the body. Ya, biasanya di ketiak itu agak berkurang, bahkan cenderung kering. Oke, good. Now, silahkan practice the dialogue with your partner. silakan berdua-berdua. Oke. Gak usah breakout lah ya, langsung aja. Perlu breakout ya. Biar kalian bisa dialog berdua-berdua. Kalau ada yang lost connection, langsung keluar aja dari breakout-nya ya. Gak usah nunggu dari saya. Oke? Kalau ada yang keluar partnernya. Biar kamu sama saya pelatihannya. Oke? Jadi, berdua-berdua ya, practice dialog. Oke, go. Abi nggak usah masuk, Abi Naya nggak usah masuk, nanti sama saya aja. Soalnya kamu tinggal sendirian di situ. Oke. Oke, bentar Abi, saya nyari dulu filenya. Bentar, dialognya. Oke, kita mulai aja. Abi mau jadi Nina atau Rosi dulu untuk dialog 1? Abi mau jadi Nina atau Rosi in dialog 1? Nina, oke. So aku jadi Rosi-nya ceritanya ya. Oke, so you start first.
I really hate these zits. They make look awful. And what's worse, I've got a big one smack on my nose.
Why don't you try acne no more?
Is it any good?
Oh, it's not bad. I once had acne. Sorry, I once had a severe acne too. After I used it, my complexion got clearer, and in just several days. But I think,
But I think my problem is
more
severe than yours.
Nah, yours isn't any worse than mine. Try the medication. It can certainly help your acne problem. Oke, sekarang dialog 2, I will be Penta, you will be Ricky. Darius is the greatest. Aku yang jadi Penta, kamu jadi Ricky. Oke. Sekarang kamu jadi orang pertama kan? Sekarang aku jadi orang pertama, kamu jadi orang keduanya, ya? Oke. Darius is the greatest basketball player ever, don't you think?
I agree, but with a body taller and bigger than anyone else, who isn't?
But
what is it?
You would think that being such a great athlete would make him prouder man in the world?
And he isn't?
No, I think he has problem with his acne.
Penta.
I don't mean anything bad. I think he should do something to reduce his acne. Other people from something to prevent other people from avoiding him. Oke, gitu ya kurang lebih. Sekarang kamu jadi Penta, saya jadi Ricky deh.
Darius is the greatest basketball player ever, don't you think?
I agree, but with a body taller and bigger than anyone else, who isn't?
But
what is it?
You would think that being such a great athlete would make him prouder man in the world.
And he isn't?
No, I think he has a problem with his acne.
Penta.
I don't mean anything bad. I think he should do something to
prevent
other people from avoiding him.
Oke, sekarang saya jadi Nina, kamu jadi Rosi ya. I really hate these zits. They make me look awful, and what's worse, I've got a big one smack on my nose.
Why don't you try acne no more?
Is it any good?
It's not bad. I once had severe acne too. After I used it, my complexion got clearer in just several days.
But I think my problem is more severe than yours.
Nah, yours isn't any worse than mine. Try the medication. It can certainly
Certainly apa? It can certainly what? Okay. Right. Let's leave the room. Okay, and we'll join the other. Okay, hold on. Aku melutnya. Okay. Alright, bateraiku mulai dikit ya. Alright. Bentar, breakout roomnya saya keluarkan. Oke, now kita lanjut ke bagian terakhir. Oke. Now let's perform. Ya, perform the dialogue. Okay, guys. Hello. Okay, Abi and I already practice and perform the dialogue. So this time yours, your turn ya. Safira with siapa tadi? Dialognya dengan siapa tadi, Safira? Abian kemana?
Abian.
Oh, Abian. Berarti Tia sama Nesa ya?
Iya.
Oke, sekarang karena Abian lagi hilang, sekarang Nesa sama Tia dulu deh. Tia sama Nesa dulu, silakan. Mau dialog 1 atau dialog 2?
Dialog 1 tapi ada yang belum dikit.
Jadi mau dialog 1. Abian tidak bergabung nih. Oke. Jadi mau dialog 1 dulu ya, Nesa ya.
Ada yang belum ya tapi.
Belum. Ya udah dialog 2 deh kalau gitu.
Ada juga yang belum 1.
Oh, oke. Ya udah coba aja nggak apa-apa. Yang mana nomor 5-nya apa kira-kira? Certainly. It can certainly help. It can certainly boost your self-esteem. Ini contohnya itu ya, boost your self-esteem. Oke, jawabannya adalah boost your self-esteem. Oke, mulai Nesa sama Tia. Silakan. Di dialog 1.
Oke.
Begin.
Ya,
dialog 1.
Aku jadi Nina ya?
Oke.
Aku jadi Nina. I really hate these seats. They make me look awful. And that worse, I've got a big one smack on my nose.
Why don't you try acne no more?
Is it any good?
Is not bad. I once had acne too. After I used it, my complexion got clearer in just several days.
But I think my problem is more severe than you.
Yours isn't any worse than mine. Try the medication. It can certainly boost your self-esteem.
Okay, good. Next, Abian with Safira. Mau dialog 1 atau dialog 2? Halo, Abian, Safira. Safira, hello, check. Okay, what's wrong here? Oke, Tia sama Nesa udah. Safira sama Abian silahkan loh. Dialog 1 boleh, dialog 2 boleh. Abian mau yang mana? Dialog 1 atau dialog 2?
Dialog 2, Miss.
Dialog 2. Safira, agree? Ya, oke, silahkan. Ayo, silahkan.
Darius is the greatest basketball player ever, don't you think?
Darius is the greatest basketball player, don't you think? Safira jawab, I agree. Ayo.
I agree, but with a body
Taller. With a body taller and bigger.
taller and bigger than anyone else. Then
Who isn't? Yan?
But
what is it?
you would think that being such a great athlete would make him the proudest man in the world.
And he is.
And he isn't?
No, I think he has a problem with his body odor.
Body odor.
Entah.
I don't mean anything bad. I think he should do something to prevent other people from avoiding him.
Oke, good. Bisa ya? Dialognya belum terlalu lancar sih, tapi ya oke lah, udah tahu ya. Now, nanti maybe you can choose one of the dialogue ya. Ada Abian, Safira, Tia, dan sebagainya. Kalau tadi dialognya masih patah-patah, later I'd like you to make a voice notes, okay? Mungkin bukan voice note ya. Udahlah, nggak apa-apa lah ya. Dialognya udah bener kok. But this time you're going to practice on making your own video log ya atau vlog gitu ya. But this time the topic will be about the toiletries you use to take care of yourself. So you're going to choose one of these toiletries, misalnya entah itu hair product, body lotion, dental care, apa tadi tuh deodoran, something like that, and then talk about one of these, and then how do you feel after you use it? Misalnya, for example, like this one, ya. Hi, my name is Ronnie. You can use your phone, just like making a Insta story, gitu ya. Okay. Yes, boleh. Pakai hair product boleh. Hi, my name is Ronnie, and today I want to talk about my choice of toiletries, which is a hair product from, sebutin nama mereknya boleh, gitu ya. This hair product is so suitable with my hair because before I use this shampoo, I had very thin hair, and sometimes I have hair loss every morning. So a friend of mine told me about this product, and since then my hair is healthier and more, okay, healthier and darker because I use this shampoo from Pantene, seperti itu. So if you want to have a healthier and thicker hair, you can use this product. See you, gitu. Okay, do you understand? So it's like making your own apa ya istilahnya? Making your own Insta story Okay, but it is actually in the form of short video. Short video kan paling maksimum only 1 minute ya. So you may want to write the narrative first, ya, bikin dulu teksnya, introduce yourself, and then tell about the product you use, and then what's the problem behind it. Misalnya dulu sebelum pakai produk ini, kesulitan kamu apa? Okay, and then after you use this product, how do you feel? Jadi kulitnya jadi lebih baik kah, jadi lebih halus kah, atau jadi lebih kenyal kah, something like that. Do you understand what to do? Hello? Do you understand what to do?
Miss.
Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Mau diposting sendiri atau send it to my WhatsApp? Just 1 minute video.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp aja ya. Oke. Okay. Just 1 minute video. Okay. But before you actually record, you can practice 1 or 3 times, maybe ya, 2 or 3 times, and then send the result of the video to me. Yes, Abi mau nanya apa tadi? Abi mau nanya apa tadi? Oh, nggak jadi. Oke. Okay. Nggak jadi ya. Oke. Okay. So, tolong kasih tahu partnernya yang tadi yang keputus. Tadi siapa? Ada Adam, ada siapa tadi tuh? Safira ya. Oke. Okay. So, you can tell them about this assignment. Oke. Okay? Ditunggu sebelum hari Kamis. Oke. Okay?